Hi, I'm Emily Frankovic, and I'm class of 2023. I started Villanova College in grade 6 in 2016. Mostly it was my parents' decision. They did all the research. They looked at a couple independent schools that would be realistic for me and my sister to get to. And immediately when we walked onto the campus for Shadow Day, I literally remember looking at my mom and saying, okay, I want to go. Like, can I start on Monday? I think coming into the school, I was really science focused. So then when I got into grade 7 and grade 8 English with an amazing teacher with Mr. Partland, I think it really opened my eyes to like a whole other world of academics that I hadn't really fallen in love with yet. And he really gave the opportunity to like learn that side. Moving into high school years, I would say I loved my science classes. Again, like I came back to those. I always think about my science classes with Mr. Ma, especially AP Biology in my last year, because it was super hands-on and I felt like it really prepared me moving forward into my science degree that I'm now pursuing. Going into first year as a student athlete, we, especially on the basketball team, it's a 12-month sport pretty much. So there really is no rest and there's really no easing your way into it. Right by September 1st, we're 5 days a week practicing, lifting twice a week, and our preseason starts pretty much playing games the second or third week of September. So it was a lot to balance all at once, but I think being at Villanova, we also had that many practices. Like we might not have been doing as much like week by week, but definitely balancing and scheduling homework and assignments and planning your weeks ahead of time really came into play majorly in my first year. What was really important for me is the ability to be a part of so many things that I wasn't just locked down to being the athlete. I was allowed to do so many things and be a part of the leadership program and be a peer mentor and be mentored and run different events at the school and be in the band and have opportunity as my electives. Like I was able to be a part of so many things, which was so important to me. Like I made choices to stay at Villanova specifically for that reason, to be a part of all of those areas. And I think that every year there was an opportunity to be a part of things like that. A statue of Mr. P. Paradiso outside the front office. A statue I think would be electric.